Good morning, mathematicians. I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how you can use this manipulative in order to show your work today. The first thing I want to show you is that if you just want to use this as a dry erase board, you can do that. You can stack up your numbers and add or subtract and do whatever you need to do. Okay, so that's there. But if you want to use the base 10 blocks, you've got them. I had to zoom out a little bit, sorry. So you can slide these over here, and then you can also zoom out to see more on your space. You can click here and change it to decimals. So now this represents 1. This represents 1.1. And just like I did in my video before, you can draw the lines and label. There's a text box up here. So now I've got ones over here. I don't really want it over there, so I'm going to come grab my select tool, and that lets me move this over here. Go back to my text tool. And I'm just typing and then hitting off to the side with my mouse. Go back to select, select that guy, and move it down here. You can also see if I need to get rid of it, copy it, whatever. I've got those options when I use this select tool. So you can use this to show your work today and just take screenshots and put them into the Google Slides.